Ivana. Would like to say thank you again to all of our family and friends and the rest of our guys right here on celebrating this wonderful birthday of Ivana.
Dinala ako ni Lord sa James, sa book, sa Bible verse ng James chapter 1 verse 17. Ang sabi doon is, every good and perfect gift is from above, coming down from the Father of the heavenly lights, who does not change like shifting shadow. So, ang ibig sabihin nun, Ivana, is God is very mindful of you, and everything that you are receiving or going to receive today is from God.
Happy birthday! Nung pinanganak kasi si Ivana, Chinese New Year talaga yon, Feb 5, 7 years ago. So talagang napaka-memorable nun para kay Spinks. And I wish for you, Ivana, as you grow older, more prettier, more virtuous, more smart. And love na love mo dapat si Mami tsaka si Daddy at si Kuya Ethan and your big brothers, okay? Smile lang lagi, para happy lang lagi, ha? Happy birthday! Enjoy your special day. God bless you.
Alright, wala po natin mga kaibigan, Ms. Shira.
Ivana, happy birthday! And nakita ko po si Ivana growing up, and for me, she's always been a very, very strong girl. And when I say strength, it means na parang nakikita ko na kahit anong challenges ang dito ma-encounter ni Ivana along the way, she will be able to deal everything with grace and resilience. Manang-mana po kay Pinky, na aking good friend. Ivana, happy birthday! I hope that you will enjoy this day. Your mom is here. Your mom is here, mahal na mahal ka ng mommy mo at ng daddy mo. And always be a good girl. And I will always pray for your good health, more blessings, and that your talent will be showcased, diba? Sa maraming tao. So that would be all. Happy birthday, Ivana!
Parang siguro nung bago pa ipahanap si Ivana, parang siguro 6 months ago nung inalis ni Ethan, nung nanganak si Ate Pix kay Ethan. Siyempre, 6 months pa na, so hindi pa siya masyadong prepared. Sabi niya, paano ba to? 6 months pa lang si Ethan, paano to papalakihin? Ganyan. So, nung nalaman na yung gender ni Ivana na babae, so sobrang happy siya. So ngayon, nakatapat niya na yung mini-me niya, di ba? Kitang-kita niya naman sa ugali nito, tsaka yung ugali nung nanay, parehas na parehas. So, Ivana, lumaki ka ng mabuti, mabait, huwag lang kasi suplado ng nanay mo. Dahil mabait naman si Ivana. Tsaka, at least nag-birthday siya bago sila makaalis. Siguro matagal na ulit bago ulit namin sila makakasama if ever makaalis na sila this year. Hopefully. So, happy birthday, Ivana. Enjoy your day.
I'm always happy that I'm watching you on TikTok, promise.
Let's go.
Hi, Ivana. Happy birthday. So, nasabi naman na nila lahat. Nasabi na nilang lahat na yung mga well wishes nila for you. Sana lang iwasan na natin yung... Hi, Ivana. Happy birthday. I love you.
Hi, Ivana dear. Happy 7th birthday. You're gonna play with me later, ha? Ang wish ko sa'yo ay maging kagaya ni Mommy. Strong, independent. Happy birthday, baby. I love you.
Hi, Ate Ivana. Happy 7th birthday. We love you. I-best friend mo na si Freya, ha? Huwag nagagalit kay Freya, ha? Love you.
Okay, what is your gift to Ivana?
My memorable squishy.
Okay, and you give that gift because?
She was
palakpakan naman natin si Antina. There you go. Hi, baby girl. What's your gift to Ivana?
An underwear, so she will be happy. The purple one.
Yes, a purple underwear. Sino po yung nanay nito? Joke lang. Ayan. At least magagamit niya everyday, di ba? Okay. And what is your gift for Ivana?
My mom's the one who bought it at me.
Okay, your mother bought you that. Who's your mommy? Where's your mommy?
My mom's at home.
Your mommy's at home. Okay, but what did mommy bought for the gift?
I don't know.
Okay. Plain and simple, wag na po nating abalahin yung bata. Medyo may pinagdadaanan po si kanina. Ayan. Yes. Naistorbo kasi nasa gitna po ng pagdedede si Aurora kanina. Opo. Picture nga tayo, baby girl. Smile. Natatakot ka sa akin, hindi ako clown. Hindi ako mascot. Alright. Julia, what's your gift for Ivana? Why did you give that gift for Ivana?
Kasi alam mo na mahilig ko siya sa IT drawer.
Wish ko kay Ivana, lumaki siya na kagaya ng kanyang mami na strong, hindi supradita, pero love na lang natin ito. Dapat namin sa kanya sadness or happiness, kasi parang siya nakasimango. Pero ngayon, pinangako niya sa amin na hindi na daw siya magsisimango. Kasi pupunta na siya sa Australia. To the family of Pugenia, thank you so much. Sa lahat ng tumatangkilik kay Ivana, lalo na sa brothers na harap ko talaga sa kanila. Kahit nawala yung parents nila. Ito, sinasabi ko na katotohanan. Sa akin, hindi din sila malapit masyado. Kasi kaaway ko palagi ni Ivana. Pag pupunta sa bahay, sinisimanutan niya ako, kaya sinusununtan ako. Sinasabi na lang ni Pinky na, don't do that to my mom. She's my mom. Pinala niya kay Ivana. Pero love na love din namin ito talaga. Lalo na sa tita niyang Diday. I love you, Ivana. Thank you very much. Happy birthday.
Hello, Ivana. Happy birthday. Wish ko maging smiling face ka. Mabait. Mabait ka naman, di ba? Masunurin na ba? Happy birthday, Ivana.
Palakpakan natin mga kaibigan.
Happy birthday, Mama. I've been taking care of you since you were a baby. And you've grown to be an independent girl. And I want you to always feel like I'm always here for you. I promise to always protect you. I love you.
Palakpakan natin mga kaibigan.
Hi, Ivana. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Just know that brother loves you very much, okay? Okay? I wish you all the best. Kiss me na!
Kuya Kiss.
Love you.
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Palakpakan natin si
You know, guys, every event of our life, in our lives, kayo talaga yung laging nandyan. So our core group, from our family, relatives, especially our friends, high school, elementary, college, hanggang mga workmates. Sobrang na-appreciate namin kayo. But for Ivana, I really wish that you become like mommy. Diba? Anak ko talaga to. No, Ivana, I want you to be happy at all times. Just always respect your brothers, especially if mommy and daddy are not around. But you know why we're doing it, right? That's why mommy and daddy are outside the country. But I promise, we're gonna be happy very, very soon. Okay? Love you.
Makapagsapakan po sila o pinakulan. On to the next row, so let's have here, Adam. Adam, have a dance with Ivana, come on. On to the next, let's have Sean. Feeling ko good terms kayo lahat. On to the next row, so lagi naman natin si Austin. Tawagin na lang po natin yung iba pang natitira for our roses. Let's have Dean, Miguel, and Andre. There you go. Asan yung mga pangalan natin and all? Dean, Miguel, and Andre. Oh, wala magkasapakan ha. Picture lang. Alright. Palakpakan natin mga kaibigan. Ours. Isang malakas na happy birthday, Ivana, in 3, 2, 1! Tuloy-tuloy ang kasiyahan natin dahil 40-40 na!
wonderful venue and the catering. Our host, Sir Kim, thank you. Our clowns, thank you, Sir Kevin, and your assistant. And especially our photographers and videographers. They've been our partner, videographer, photographer, Bowie, going 7 years, I think, since 2019. So thank you so much. And then what else? Family. Pag meron ako mga last errand, thank you so much. Mga galing ng Batangas, ng Zambales, thank you. Mga Richmond family namin, thank you. And then our friends in high school, both Levi and me and myself, CCC and Roosevelt High School, thank you. Transcom friends, thank you for coming. Mga beshi ko from Rainbow Group, kaway-kaway kayo dyan. Thank you. But actually, sa lahat ng pumunta, sa CCC friends, thank you so much. Tsaka yung neighbor namin, thank you, JM and Dan. Pasig, Montana friends, thank you Gilbert and She for coming. Actually, yan yung mga familiar face na nakikita nyo. Sila talaga, yung friends namin din became our family. So thank you so much for all the support. And maraming salamat sa pumunta talaga. Sobrang na-appreciate. Wala na talaga ako masabi. Thank you guys.
Salamat po for being with us right here on the 7th birthday of Ivana. Hindi pa tapos ang party natin on. Pwede pa kayong makipag-mingle, kwentuhan with family and friends, and all, of course, picture taking with our family and friends here today. At kids, huwag mo na uuwi dahil Ivana will start giving out your party loot bags onto this wonderful celebration. Once again, I'm your host, Francis Kim. Good day to you all.